Hey, I'm Eric Morris with Morris Environmental, and today we're going to talk about how to repair concrete and how to install a topping slab. So come on with me and let's go check it out. On this particular project, we have already removed the flagstone patio walkway that was installed incorrectly. It was sloped towards the house, allowing water to accumulate against the foundation wall and letting water come inside the basement. Now our goal with this project is to install a concrete topping slab with the correct slope to improve the drainage away from the foundation wall. We're using a sand, cement, concrete topping mix that's made by Quikrete. This particular product allows a 1/2 inch to 2 inches in thickness, which is ideal for what we need to achieve the kind of slope that we're looking for. Now the first thing you want to do is prepare your work area. You want to make sure that you remove all the loose concrete and have a clean working surface. Ensure that there's no settlement underneath the old concrete to make sure the foundation is in good shape before you attempt to do this. Now you also want to install what's called a slurry mix on top of the sidewall. This will improve the adhesion of the topping slab. Slurry is nothing more than a very wet mixture of the concrete slab mix applied with a brush over the top of the sidewalk. Step 2, mix your concrete, then pour it out. Now to install this topping slab correctly, use a 2x4 as a screed with a builder's level on top of it to achieve the correct slope. Make sure you slope your concrete correctly so it slopes away from the foundation. Step 3, we need to install a broom finish. The broom finish will help provide a slip-resistant surface and help provide adherence for the mortar mix of the stone that's going to be applied back over the top of this slab. All right, well, that's it. I'm Eric Morris at Morris Environmental, and if you're in the Atlanta metro area and you have any waterproofing or foundation repair needs, be sure and give us a call at 770-546-3998. And don't forget, hit the like button below and be sure and subscribe to our channel.